How to use less data on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. And then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on account and then search for cellular data use and click on it. And here you will see a section that says use less data, and the data saver option is turned off. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And also you want to set the high resolution media to Wi-Fi only. That way you don't waste your data on high resolution media like videos and stuff. So that was it for this video. That's how you can minimize the data use on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.